You might not be paying for your favorite apps, but they're making millions from you. Free apps have become a staple of modern life, with millions of downloads daily. However, have you ever wondered how these apps generate revenue without charging users? The answer lies in the complex world of attention economics and data markets. Apps use various tactics to retain users, including retention loops and subscription models. Retention loops are designed to keep users engaged, often through rewards or exclusive content. Subscription models, on the other hand, offer users premium features or ad-free experiences. Meanwhile, apps collect user data, which is then sold to third-party companies. This data is used to create targeted ads, increasing their effectiveness and value. Apps also display ads, generating revenue from clicks and impressions. Users often unknowingly contribute to this economy through their daily app usage. The line between free and paid services is becoming increasingly blurred, raising questions about user exploitation. Free apps collect user data through various means, including permissions and tracking. Data brokers then package and sell this information to interested parties anonymously. Apps often rely on third-party services to manage and analyze user behavior, further complicating data ownership. Users may unknowingly grant access to sensitive information, such as location and contacts, when installing apps. Apps can track user interactions, like swipes and clicks, to create detailed profiles, which are valuable to advertisers. Data markets facilitate the exchange of user information between companies, generating significant revenue. The line between user benefit and exploitation becomes blurred as apps prioritize profit over privacy, it seems. Retention loops, designed to keep users engaged, can lead to increased data collection and, consequently, more targeted advertising. Subscription-based models, while seemingly straightforward, can also contribute to the data market, as user habits are monitored and sold. Monthly bills and calendar reminders serve as a reminder of the financial commitments users make to these services, knowingly or not. Upon closer inspection, phone app permission screens reveal the extent of data collection, often surprising users, who may then re-evaluate their choices. By examining the intersection of attention economics and data markets, a clearer picture emerges of how free apps generate revenue, often at the expense of user privacy, it appears. Retention loops are cleverly designed to keep users engaged in generating revenue. Apps use various tactics to create a cycle of continuous interaction and attention. By leveraging psychological triggers, apps encourage users to spend more time on their platforms. Customized notifications and rewards systems are common methods used to retain users. Data collected from users is used to refine these tactics and increase their effectiveness. Apps often employ scarcity tactics, creating a sense of urgency to drive user engagement. Social sharing features and leaderboards are also used to foster a sense of community and competition. Analysis suggests that these tactics can be highly effective in capturing user attention. However, some argue that these methods can be manipulative and exploitative in nature. Upon closer examination, it becomes clear that retention loops are a key component of attention economics. By understanding how these loops work, users can make more informed decisions about their app usage. Ultimately, recognizing the tactics used to retain users can help individuals regain control over their digital lives. Recurring payments can be a significant source of revenue for free apps. Apps often use subscriptions to lock in profits and ensure a steady income stream. By committing to a recurring payment, users may overlook the true cost. Subscription models can be complex, making it difficult to cancel or change plans. A person may need to navigate multiple menus to cancel a subscription on their laptop. Phone subscription settings can be equally confusing, hiding behind multiple screens. The abstract screens of streaming apps can make it hard to track usage and costs. Monthly bills and calendar reminders can help users stay on top of their expenses. However, the ease of scrolling through a phone app can lead to overlooked charges. Mobile app permission screens can be abstract, making it hard to understand data sharing. Analysis suggests that apps may use retention loops to keep users engaged in paying. Ultimately, understanding these tactics can help individuals make more informed decisions about their app usage. As attention becomes a commodity, its value increases dramatically. Free apps capitalize on this trend, generating revenue from user focus. Retention loops and ads are designed to maximize engagement and profits. Data markets also play a crucial role in the attention economy. Apps collect user data, which is then sold to third-party companies. This data is used to create targeted ads, increasing their effectiveness. Subscriptions are another way apps generate revenue from users. Analysis suggests that some apps use manipulative tactics to retain users. Understanding these tactics can help individuals make informed decisions. By being aware of attention economics, users can take control of their focus. Regulatory bodies are also starting to scrutinize the attention economy. Ultimately, the commodification of attention raises important questions about society. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.